At Trane, we build some of the best air handlers in the business. People know that, and they trust us for our expertise producing high-quality, reliable equipment to meet your needs. What you may not know is that we also build custom air handlers. Same Trane quality, same Trane reliability. Need a performance climate changer air handler to fit in a tight space? We do that. Need a retrofit in your historic building? We do that too. Need one to fit around a column? Yeah, we've done that. But we also take it a step further. With Trane's FlexFit program, we design and build your custom air handler in our factory. You can come watch if you want, and then we take it apart, pack it up, and ship it to you, along with detailed instructions to make on-site assembly easier. But we don't stop there. If you want, we'll send experienced Trane engineers out to your location to oversee the installation, or we'll even come out and do the whole thing for you. With FlexFit, you have options, and no matter which route you choose, you'll have a high-quality performance climate changer. Learn more at trane.com/custom performance AHU. Trane. Let's go beyond.